Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. AutoCAD Electrical. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master AutoCAD Electrical. We offer training in AutoCAD Electrical in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of AutoCAD Electrical, empowering you with the skills needed for electrical control design, schematic design, and documentation. Here are some of the core functionalities you learn in our courses. A comprehensive schematic symbol library, automatic wire numbering and component tagging, circuit libraries for efficient reuse of existing drawings, real-time error checking to ensure accuracy, coil and contact cross-referencing for intelligent design, smart panel layout tools, circuit builder for simplified electrical design, PLC I/O drawings for advanced spreadsheets, automatic project report generation. Enroll in the AutoCAD Electrical course of your choice today and unleash the full potential of this powerful design software. For more information, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.